Our world is desperately searching for answers to solving the two biggest problems, saving energy and protecting the environment. Now imagine one product that can help solve both of these problems. Presenting eeFuel from Fuel Legacy, an environmental technology company that develops and markets the fuel additive known as eeFuel. Enhanced with nanotechnology, eeFuel is easy to use, extremely cost-effective, and promotes immediate results. Cars today burn inefficiently. As gasoline is sprayed into the engine's combustion chamber, large drops of fuel are produced, drops that do not completely burn. This leads to a number of undesirable results, which include wasted and unburned fuel, carbon deposits, increased toxic emissions. Using eeFuel promotes a complete burn and cleans the combustion chamber from previous unburned fuel, adding horsepower and much less toxic emissions.
And now that oil prices have gone up so high and fuel so high, I really care about the money that I put in my tank now, and eeFuel helps me with that. It helps me reduce the amount of fuel that I burn to begin with, which is a whole lot, and then it also helps from an environmental standpoint because I'm not polluting the environment, and everyone's so concerned about that. So the product actually helps on two different levels, and I'm just trying to do my part to help out.
Introducing Richard Hicks, environmentalist, chemical engineer, and inventor of eeFuel.
eeFuel is a fuel additive, but it's not a petroleum product. It's different because it's water-based. We've been manufacturing this product for more than 20 years. We know how to do this. It's not new technology for us. It's not something which is untried. We have lots of experience in making this kind of product. Everything is perfect to introduce this product at this time because there is so much talk about the high price of gas and the poor air quality. But as an environmental company, our main reason why we're doing this is to help start to clean the environment up. If you have clean combustion, this is where you get your power and your fuel economy. But clean combustion means you have a complete burn. Everything in the combustion chamber is burnt. You have very little exhaust emissions coming out the tailpipe. And for us as an environmental company, that's what we're aiming at. The primary reason to use eeFuel is you're going to save money. There's no better incentive to get this product out into the environment than for people saving money. The next reason to use eeFuel is it's going to keep your engine oil clean. Another reason to use eeFuel is the exhaust is cleaner. It's significantly cleaner. You're going to be cutting down all of those tailpipe gases like hydrocarbons and carbon monoxide, NOx emissions, which are extremely critical here for producing smog, and carbon dioxide, which is the primary ingredient for global warming. When you use eeFuel, all of those, every one of them is going to be reduced. This bottle is really easy to use. When you want to use it, the first thing you do is just loosen the top cap here, and then when you squeeze the body of the bottle, it'll push eeFuel up the outside of the tube and into the measuring chamber. You can see it coming up here. And when you've got as much as you're looking for, here's enough to treat 25 gallons, then you would undo the top, and before you fill up the gas tank, you would pour this in the gas tank, and then you would put the gas nozzle in the tank. And then back in the car, ready for the next treatment. One of the big things about eeFuel is you can use this in any commercially available fuel. It will work in all grades of diesel fuel, all grades of gasoline, including ethanol gasoline, reformulated gasoline, California gasoline, low sulfur, low aromatic diesel fuel, any kind of fuel, it will work. We worked out over the years, we have done the equivalent of 25 billion kilometers. That's about 15 billion miles of years of service on this product. We've never had one liability claim in all of that period because we're super careful on how we do our technology.
eeFuel has a strong 25-year track record, proven to work successfully in numerous studies throughout the world. The 2007 California State Agency long-term results revealed an average fuel savings of 18.8% with eeFuel. According to the 2006 TNO Holland official test, eeFuel was reported to be the only one with certifiable proven results. eeFuel named Best Gasoline and Fuel Additive by China National EPA. eeFuel described as the best and most efficient additive by Japan Option 2 Automotive Magazine.